Hello, this is a short Agentforce demo that will show how a customer can ask an AI agent detailed questions about room types at a hotel and make a reservation. What I wanted to combine in this demo is how to integrate Agentforce, Salesforce Data Cloud, and MuleSoft. Let's see what this looks like for the customer. A customer may ask, what different room types do you have available? The agent will come back with a list of room types available at a hotel. So now the customer may ask, what features does the executive suite have? And the agent will provide a summary of the features of the executive suite. Now the customer wants to make a booking for the executive suite. The agent requires the customer to provide the customer ID, check-in date, check-out date, and any special requests. So a customer is providing the customer ID. Now in a real-life scenario, we would obviously build proper authentication around this. But the customer would also provide the booking details, the dates, in this case 1st of June to 8th of June, and a special request to have a fresh fruit platter delivered every morning. Now, the reservation for that executive suite for those dates has been confirmed. What does the architecture of this agent look like? So we've got Agentforce here on top that hosts the service agent through which an end customer can ask questions. We also have Topic Center, which is relevant for creating and retrieving bookings and hotel reservations. We've got Data Cloud, where we have added a FAQ PDF file that describes the different room types and their features into the Agentforce data library, and we have configured a search index and a retriever. Then we've got the MuleSoft Anypoint platform that hosts a hotel reservation API with 3 functions: retrieving a reservation by ID, retrieving reservations by a customer ID, and creating a new reservation. MuleSoft is then interacting with the hotel reservation system, which for the purposes of this demo is a simple relational database hosted on AWS. The PDF file that we've added to the Agentforce data library is a fairly simple, straightforward document that at the beginning lists all of the room types and then specifies the feature of each individual room. This is the prompt template that was added to the agent in form of an action that will take the customer question as input, and then we'll try to answer that question with grounded content from the PDF file using the search index and the retriever. So we can ask a question such as, what different room types do you have available? And the response will be the list of different room types that came straight from the PDF file. We can now ask a follow-up question such as, what features does the Ocean View suite have? And that content will also come straight from the PDF file via the retriever. This is how the agent is enriched with unstructured data coming from the PDF file in Data Cloud. Next, I will show you how you can connect an existing MuleSoft Anypoint platform to a Salesforce org and configure it in a manner that APIs that have been deployed and configured on any point show up in the Salesforce org and can be utilized in the context of an agent. In the MuleSoft Anypoint platform, we have built a hotel reservation API that can retrieve a reservation by ID or by customer and can create a new reservation. We connected it via a database connector to a MySQL database residing on AWS. Here I am in the Anypoint platform in Exchange, where I have my Hotel Reservations API with the 3 endpoints: to create a new reservation, retrieve an existing reservation by reservation ID, and retrieving reservations by customer ID. In order for this API to show up in Topic Center in our Salesforce org, it needs to have 2 tags specified as well. Both the actual API that connects to the database in AWS and the proxy securing that endpoint are hosted on the Anypoint platform. We're now back in our Salesforce org, and here we can see that we have connected our Anypoint org with the Salesforce org to make Anypoint platform APIs available in Salesforce through the API catalog, but also through Topic Center. Under Setup, we can now find in the API catalog all of the APIs that are available to be shared from our Anypoint platform org with our Salesforce org. Drilling into the Hotel Reservations API, we can now see that the connection is active and the agent enablement is completed. We also see the 3 operations that are available that we just saw in the MuleSoft Anypoint platform in Exchange and that are now available for agents in Agentforce as well. In the Agentforce interface, we can now see a new topic called Hotel Room Reservation. All the details for this topic, including classification description, scope, and the instructions, come straight from the API design on the MuleSoft Anypoint platform. The actions that this topic has are the 3 methods that our API is offering to retrieve a reservation by customer, retrieve a reservation by ID, and to create a new reservation, as well as a new custom action that we built that is linked to the prompt template to retrieve details for room types from the FAQ in the Agentforce data library. Now I will demonstrate how to retrieve an existing reservation with the agent interacting through Topic Center with the API residing on the MuleSoft Anypoint platform. I ask to show me my latest hotel reservation. The agent asks me to provide the customer ID. And after providing the customer ID, the agent will retrieve through the MuleSoft API the latest reservation that I just provided earlier for the executive suite. And we can confirm this by looking into the underlying database of the hotel reservation system, which now has a new entry for the reservation that we just did earlier. Finally, this diagram shows how all of the different components work together. The agent interacts with Data Cloud to retrieve unstructured information about hotel room types from a PDF file that has been added to the Agentforce data library. The agent can also exchange structured information about reservations and about customers by invoking an API that resides on the MuleSoft Anypoint platform and that is made accessible to the agent via Topic Center. That hotel reservation API interacts through a database connector with the hotel reservation system that is residing on AWS.